stiff arm off the double unders, all right? So he goes for his double unders. All right, so right when I feel him going right here, I'm thinking about open my knees up and shoulder walking and keep my hips on the mat as much as I can, all right? So I'd like to try to get both hooks, but this works really great, even if you just get one grip in, all right? So even right here, he can't load me up on this leg now, but he can still load me up on this one. He's gonna feel that, all right? So a lot of times I look to stack pass or reaching this arm up. So as soon as I can see the space on his elbow and his tricep, I wanna think about coming up to my elbow and stiff arming this arm across my body. So I'm gonna post up and stiff arm, all right? So from here I can either straight up, get my guard back, or I can come up and take it back. All right, one more time. Back just a little bit. So he's going for his double unders. I'm opening my knees up, shoulder walking, staying away from him. Getting one hook in so he can't lift me up on that side. Stiff arm. Come back to my guard. All right, or I keep taking it back. All right. You see it, everything. All right, 1, 2.